Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, as you can probably already tell from the title, we're going to be talking about the Zoom H6. Now, it's typically known that the preamps that come with most DSLR cameras aren't usually the best. They don't sound the best. And if you're doing whatever kind of stuff, music, podcast, or whatever you can think of really when it comes to audio, and you want to get the best possible quality out of that, you're going to need something like the Zoom H6. And right now, I don't think there's a better option out there than the Zoom H6 for portable recording. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. The Zoom H6 is considered to be the most versatile portable recorder ever, with the possibility of multiple interchangeable input capsules, which are the XY capsule and the MS capsule, which both come bundled with the Zoom H6. The XYH capsule, which came with the older Zoom H5 model. The SGH shotgun capsule, the SSH stereo shotgun capsule, and the dual XLR/TRS combo capsule, which allows you to essentially expand the Zoom H6 to have more channels. It has one of the best sounding preamps in any device of its size and price range, and all these combined make it the ultimate recorder for film, video podcasts, and music. The USB port allows it to be used as a multi-channel audio interface for your computer, laptop, or iPads, and so on. Set to stereo mix in the USB menu, it acts as a 2-input/output interface. When set to multi-track, it acts as a 6-input/2-output interface. It boasts a 20-hour record time with just 4 AA batteries, which will obviously be significantly shortened if you are using phantom power, which the H6 allows you to do. Alternatively, you can power the device indefinitely with the AC adapter. It also comes bundled with a free Cubase recording and editing software which you can install on your PC or Mac. Okay, so as you guys can see, the Zoom H6 is an absolutely incredible device for everything that it offers. It's just so small and light and compact, and which is actually one of the things I like most about it. It's just how small it is. It's like carrying around a portable mixer. Most of the audio in this video has been recorded with the Zoom H6. The talk and head segment from the first part of this video was recorded with a lavalier mic plugged directly into the Zoom H6, and then the third segment of this video was recorded with the XY capsule that comes with the device itself, so you can kind of get an idea of what that sounds like. And we also recorded a live acoustic session with just the XY capsule of the Zoom H6. I'll play a little clip of that right now so you can kind of see what it sounds like.
Now I'm feeling helpless, no matter where I roam. But I've been dreaming of you, in the flowers she grows. And I can hear and we
I also wanted to do a test on what it sounds like with a proper shotgun mic plugged into the device itself, but I don't have that yet. I'm hoping to have it very soon, but so when I do, I'm probably going to do another video just to show you guys what it sounds like and what it's like plugging in directly into this device. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.